This is not how you balance a fan. I tried stuffing pieces of paper in there that have been taped together. Tried stuffing a piece of paper up here. Another one down there. And you balance the fan out on the blades. You figure out which one's out of balance and you balance it there, not up here. So we're going to change this vanity, and as you can see, there's no box. They just sheetrocked the metal plate onto the wall and didn't put the box. So now I have to cut a hole and put the box in. So we're going to have to drill a hole in the Generac because it only comes with a hole knocked out up there. And we need one down here to go inside. We'd also need one in the side to connect to the other box that's outside. So what you do is you use your cardboard to your advantage. That cardboard here, that will block the metal shavings from getting on your circuit board. And if you get metal shavings in there, you run the risk of frying it. So put your piece of cardboard in to block those metal shavings.